Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 Eclipse Attitude 3018 mm, one of their newer floor plans, and it's very nicely equipped. Come on in, let me show you. This is going to have the More Ride step above system coming in the door. The Breathe interior color woodwork. So in this model we got a very large bank of cabinets with a nice large Jensen TV. This has got 2 extra chairs as an option, so we got plenty of seating. Very comfortable swivel rocker chairs. It's tabled there. Large windows. Recessed lighting. Lots of cabinets, nice and deep. Long. Got the opposing dinette, and on the Attitudes you may pay attention to this. On the Attitudes you will notice that when the bed lower comes together, these will slide together and they'll slide apart. So unlike some of the other manufacturers, you're going to have a gap in here. These come together, so it makes a nice secondary bed along with the bunk bed above, and when it comes down it's an opposing dinette with 2 individual tables here, and or the lower dinette areas hinge at the wall here, and they will slide down to store in up and down mode there. So actually our ceiling height loading in and coming in is from the floor to the bottom of the bunk, because these are out of the way. So the 3218 has a built-in toolbox into the floor, which is a real nice feature. Metal box throughout. This one has the one-piece pull-down screen wall. Has the More Ride patio kit, fence, and step out the back. So we have the step going out the back as well. So like I said, this one particular unit has the full, pretty well loaded up. It's got the new Attitude soffit light in the ceiling. Lighting throughout. Everything's LED inside and outside. The dinette's going to make into a single bed or a nice comfortable couch with the kidney-shaped table here. Overhead cabinetry. In the kitchen we have the nice big 18 cubic foot 4-door refrigerator freezer with the stainless steel package. Looks really good with the Breathe wood interior color. Overhead microwave, full size. 3-burner cooktop. Nice big oven here. Cabinets, banks of drawers. 1 big stainless steel sink. Backlit countertop area. Very, very nice colors combinations in this model. This is going to have the 5500 watt generator and the 1800 watt inverter, so we can watch television and have power to our underside plug in here off of our batteries through the inverter. We step up upstairs. Fuse panel down below. This is going to have the new lithium ion battery with the lithium progressive dynamics converter, so it's going to charge your batteries 3 times faster than anything else out there. Onboard solar system already on the roof, 210 watt panel there that tells you your strength of your batteries, what's coming in it during the daytime when the solar is working. Your Lippert leveling system and control panel here, and when you turn this on, this is going to give us a readout. It's going to have all our owner's manuals. We can troubleshoot different things on the coach, as well as use our leveling system as well, so that's nice. Slide outs for the bedroom. Coming into the bathroom, this is going to have the Centurion package, so we got the vessel sink, solid surface countertops in the bathroom, corner glass shower here, porcelain toilet, above and below storage, behind the door storage here with nice deep cabinetry. Fantastic fan in the bathroom, skylight above the shower. ducted roof air and ducted floor heat in the bathroom throughout. Pass through into the bedroom. King bed in the slide out with individual windows, lighting above, padded headboard. Got a nice marble look backlash on the headboard there. Lots of cabinets on the side of the bed throughout, on the head of the bulk of the fifth wheel. More cabinets over here and above. You got the mirrors. Fireplace in the bedroom. This is a slide out. We have individual lighting here at the slide out in the vanity area as well in the bedroom. Coming back down, we'll go outside, show you some exterior features. More cabinetry here with the bedroom pocket door here. Come on outside and I'll show you some stuff outside. This also has the upgraded kicker stereo system. Real easy, large capacity steps here. The LED light strip underneath the awning, the LED light strip in the doorway entry, two separate light switches and lights. Underglow lighting underneath. This is going to have the gold exterior package, so notice the gold on the wheels, gold graphics, metal fender wells, Zerk fittings on all the shackles underneath. Nice big bay windows, exterior kicker stereo speakers, auto leveling system, nice bright spotlights out the side. You got this sewer stowaway hose here for the black hose, stores away outside. Again, the rear patio kit, as you see. More spotlights out the back end. Very, very nicely equipped here. Onboard ladders always with you. Pull the pins, it pulls out. Pump station here. On and off switch for the pump station and gauge here. Shore cord here. Fill the gas on the driver's side of the vehicle, so you pull in at the gas station, your fuel pumping is going to all work from the same side. This has the extra large cooling for the large refrigerator, as well as having the curbside extra spotlights out on the curbside too. 10-gallon gas and electric hot water heater, outside shower underneath, big basement. Off door side slide in the bedroom. This is the bed slide. Our battery disconnect switches inside here. Up front, here's where the batteries go. The 5500 watt generator. Notice the nice lights on the end cap here. Nice solid one-piece molded end cap on the front end. And then the door side vanity slide to the bedroom here. This has the 7-gallon propane tank, so we have 2 of them. So we got plenty of propane. And then the door side basement inside here. Light switch. Central vac system. Very, very nicely equipped. So that kind of wraps it up in a quick tour of the new 3218mm. Again, my name is Clay Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. And make sure you ask for me so I can give you the full tour on these Eclipse products here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Thank you and have a great day.